Worried about the Android Debug Bridge Windows USB API DLL causing further system corruption? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Here is the verified path to a healthy Windows installation. Avoid long manual edits for Android Debug Bridge Windows USB API by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Android Debug Bridge Windows USB API, a specialized extension of the Android Debug Bridge, ADB, that provides the software interface for communicating with Android devices specifically via the WinUSB driver. It manages the low-level data transfer packets. If missing, phone flashing tools or bootloader-unlocking utilities will fail to detect the device in Fastboot or recovery mode. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of Adobe to repair the core installation and restore the necessary ADB Library DLL component. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Android Debug Bridge Windows USB API component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A quick warning, many sites offering ADB Library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Android Debug Bridge Windows, USB API, and system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Android Debug Bridge Windows USB API from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.